Hi, this is Shane with Safelink Internet Services, and I will be guiding you through your Agemni training. Agemni is our customer management portal. It's web-based, and with it we can create and manage leads, create work orders, schedule installations, track the progress of those installations, and track commissions. In this video, I'm going to give you just a brief introduction to Agemni and take you through a brief overview, and then in the following videos we'll take you through more specifics. So without further ado, we need to first open up a web browser and log into the Agemni portal. This you'll want to write this down. It's at http://Agemni, that's spelled AGEMNI.com/dishstar, that's DISHSTAR, /Safelink Internet, SAFELINKINTERNET, and hit enter. That's a lot to type, so obviously you're going to want to come over and save that to your favorites. And I've renamed mine the Safelink portal for future reference and to make it easy. That way you don't have to type all that stuff in every time. You're going to need a username and password. If one has not already been assigned to you, you need to call Safelink at 888-692-5776 and ask to speak with a retailer relations specialist, and they will be able to assign you that username and password. So we're going to go ahead and log in here, if I can type. And let's just give you an overview. So from this page, this is your landing page, and you can get back here by clicking on Home. You'll notice on the left it says Welcome to the Safelink Internet Services Customer Portal and some updates. All of our updates are posted here. So every time you log into Agemni, you're going to want to take a look here and make sure that there are no updates. You can see that this update, we spoke about the change in the packages and pricing, and then some important notices. This is our current promotion, so we took you through the promotion and some important things you need to know about that promotion. So this is very useful. It's a useful tool that I hope that you will use often and that you'll take the time to read through this when you log into Agemni. From this tab, you can also manage your account, your username, password. Username will always be the same, but you can change your password. You can change your company name, contact information. Please keep this up to date for us, so that if we ever need to get in touch with you, this is the information that we refer to. You'll see a Leads tab. Leads is just that. It allows you to create and manage your leads. To anybody that may have been interested in Safelink, you can punch their information in here. And I highly recommend that you use this tool, because if you have been speaking with a customer and that customer decides to call Safelink directly, maybe they have lost your company information, for whatever reason they contact us, when we punch their phone number in or their name, if you have already been speaking with that customer and put them into a lead, it'll bring it up, and we'll know that they've been speaking with you, and we can make sure you get credit for that customer. So a very useful tool. This is the Customers tab, and this is where you will input new customers. We'll go more into in depth about this later. Then you have your reporting, and Agemni gives you the ability to create some very useful reports. Your payroll, this is where you can track your commissions. Production is exactly that. What's been produced, what's occurred during a specified date range. You can take a look at today and see how many sales were made in your company and how many of your customers were installed today, or you can look at a date range and find that same information for a date range. Status reports, very handy. You can come in and see all of the customers that have been completed within a month and how many installs have been completed, or the status of leads. Again, in those leads, you can track the status of those and see how well your company is following up on those leads. So this is just again, a brief overview of Agemni, and it's a very useful tool, and I hope that you will follow up and watch the next training videos. We'll begin with leads. You'll want to start there, and then we'll move on to customers. You can convert leads to customers directly without having to re-input that information, and then we'll go into some of the reporting. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.